Here we go with the Fadal VMC-15RT. Spindle, which hasn't ran in probably a year and a half, turning with a little bit of noise. That's probably just lube. There we go at 1,000. No vibration. And then at 2,000, machine started to get warmed up. Some tools still in the changer. The vise included with the machine. That's the Z-axis being jogged manually, nice and quiet. The X-axis as well. And the Y-axis, if you can leave it there for a second, I'll just get a shot. Some additional tooling, not really well stored, but it comes with the machine. Some chips and stuff from the original owner. We haven't had the machine through it cleaned yet. And here's a spindle at 3,000 RPM. Gonna take it up to 4,000. And 5, and again, the machine hasn't been ran for a while, so there's probably a little bit of noise in there from lack of lube getting through, but it's warming up nicely. Just humming along. Now it's 6,000.